Welcome back, ICP family. Appreciate you guys as always. Let's get right into it. If you're looking at the overall markets right now, you are seeing a lot of green across the board, including ICP. It's up about 0.5%, but nothing too crazy. What you're noticing right now, before these fudders come and all that stuff, before I start hear people complaining, I want you guys to take a look at something specific, this trend that you're seeing right now, and I'm going to see if you guys can realize it before I even say it, but what you're noticing right now is just a handful of coins that are picking up traction quite a bit. And meme coins specifically have a lot of momentum right now for themselves because let's face it, BTC obviously it did go back above $68,000, but it did not see a huge push above 70K or anything like that. Right now, meme coin market definitely has a lot of momentum against the overall market, but obviously the overall market has reacted in a positive way to the Bitcoin move. And you're looking at ADA, you're looking at Jasmine down actually, EOS, ICP, Fetch, LTC. Pretty much get the idea as to what's really happening. So I hope that answers it. But let's take a look at what's happening with Internet Computer right now and whether or not we could be seeing a little bit of more excitement within its price. But before we do that, as always, just a quick disclaimer. Anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So looking at the price, back above $12, of course, $12.13 to be exact, up 0.3% over the past 24 hours in USD comparative. If we're looking at market cap, $5.66 billion and the 24-hour trading volume at 70.2 billion. Not bad in a grand scheme of things, guys. But let's take a closer look and see what really is happening with the price of ICP and how it's kind of reacting to the Bitcoin and Bitcoin dominance index as far as correlation is concerned. So, of course, if you're looking at BTC dominance, and I'm sure if you do follow me on my channel, you guys know this, Bitcoin dominance has pretty much been, heading towards the downside since the 22nd of May. And this is really getting me excited because obviously we've been having this conversation. When does altcoins really gain traction? And as of now, I'm starting to notice a trend occurring. If you guys kind of go back a few months, when we were in this bullish trend, you did see this meme coin market really exploding first. And then you saw other altcoins having their time and, meme coins kind of starting lagging off. We saw a bunch of meme coin profit going into solid projects. And as of now, specifically, if you're noticing, we're seeing a similar price pattern occurring. Meme coins are gaining a lot of traction right now against some of these other strong projects with massive amounts of utility. And I know a lot of people can't wrap up their head around this. The fact that, such massive projects, revolutionary, projects that are building for the future are lagging right now against meme coins that are launched out of thin air. Yeah, it's crazy the time of market we're in right now. It's insane. But let's take a look at what's happening with Bitcoin. So 68.2, bouncing around that range. Obviously, a lot of resistance, as I've said to you guys before. Important for Bitcoin to break out of there tomorrow. I think that would be a really positive thing to see. But bigger, as far as you're looking at the bigger picture, Bitcoin is looking insane right now. But let's take a look at what's happening with ICP. So I know there's going to be one or two people around there that are going to come out and say, Crypto ZX, look man, we're still within this range. It's so boring. And guys, you're hearing from a person with quite a bit of experience in the crypto space. Let me tell you, this is nothing. You're looking at a consolidation phase for pretty much just obviously you could make a statement that we've been pretty much consolidating since the beginning of the year, but no, because we did see these breakouts. We did see these massive retest to levels that we haven't seen for above 2 years. But right now, you're still seeing the price of ICP holding above that key support line. Believe it or not, guys, this is a really, really good thing. And I know a lot of people don't understand that. People want to see what's happening with Pepe, what's happening with Dog we've had. But, how you might want to be looking at right now, if you do have these meme coins in your portfolio and ICP, I'm sure you guys are not worried at all. You guys understand. If you're just holding ICP, then, diversify your portfolio. Look for other projects. Look for different niche. It's important to diversify your portfolio. But, look at it from this way, because I know this could discourage because I remember being a new crypto investor early on. I was very young at that time, and boy, I learned it the hard way. You do see your coins not pumping, you're seeing other coins pumping, and specifically how you want to be taking a look at the meme coin market, because meme coin market wasn't there when I joined. We did have Dogecoin, but Dogecoin never did anything. It barely moved. Basically, what I'm trying to say is, since this market has launched, I cannot imagine the newcomers coming into the space. I would have pretty much lost it. What you want to be looking at is, if you do have these in your portfolio, let's say a small percentage of your portfolio, you've done your due diligence and research and have your meme coins, then of course your number one goal should be whatever profit you make out of these to reallocate into strong projects. Because let's face it, after this bull market is over, none of these will be here. But will ICP be here? Will some other strong projects be here? Possibly. Higher chance of ICP being here than these meme coins. And, there's a lot of, when you look at the fundamentals, there's a lot of things happening behind the scenes. A lot of people are developing. Those are things that you need to be looking at for internet computer. But so far, so good. Obviously, I understand the frustration, but guys, patience is your number one key to follow. The target still remains the same at $13. I know not much has happened with the price, but I want to give you guys a reassurance. Just a reminder. At the end of the day, time is the most important thing that tells us what really happens. But you guys enjoy these updates, and I appreciate each and every one of you guys for sticking around on a day-to-day basis. Love you all. Do let me know in the comments down below what you guys think, and we'll see you tomorrow with Crypto ZX, and peace out.